Enter the 3D world with the right tool and right system. Blender is a free and open-source 3D creation suite that supports pretty much every aspect of 3D development. There is a strong foundation of modeling skills, as well as comprehensive texturing, rigging, animation, lighting, and a slew of other tools for total 3D development. This program is excellent whether you want to deal only with static models or get into the world of animation. Features of Blender. Modeling. Blender provides a large number of modeling tools that make it simple to create, edit, sculpt, and edit your models. Sculpting. In several stages of the digital production pipeline, digital sculpting tools provide the power and flexibility required. Animation and rigging. Blender allows artists to turn their motionless characters into spectacular animations using basic keyframing or advanced walk cycles. Rendering. Blender comes with a powerful, unbiased rendering engine that offers stunning, ultra-realistic outcomes. Simulation. Blender helps to create the photorealistic fruit splash, flamethrower, sparks, rigid body simulations, and fluffy far. Video and shortcut editing. Import any video clip and execute various video editing tasks such as cut, crop, transform, effects, add text, color, time, source, and other custom properties as you progress through this Blender video editing tutorial. VFX. Blender includes a full-fledged compositor by default. This enables you to post-process your renderings without having to leave Blender. It also has a production-ready camera and object tracking, enabling you to import raw footage, track it, mask regions, and rebuild camera motions in your 3D scene in real time. System requirement. Blender is also cross-platform compatible, which is a fantastic feature. As a result, it will happily operate on Windows 10 Pro Home and Windows 11. If you'd like to download Blender, feel free to read the system requirement on their website. Blender doesn't need a lot in terms of Holoware system requirements and has the following minimum recommendations. 64-bit dual-core processor, 4GB graphics card, 8GB DDR4 3200 MHz, 512GB NVMe SSD, Windows 10. Blender may operate smoothly on computers older than 5 years. There's plenty of software out there that can be used for video editing, architecting, designing, developing, and overall. Holoware is a great place to start.